The structure of vertical ring die pellet machine and its advantages. It consists of 6 parts: observation port, metal making chamber, outlet port, stainless steel dust cover, metal and reducer. Its advantages are in the following parts. First, vertical feeding, easy heat dissipation. Second, easy to fix and smooth spinning. Third, the pressure will returns and the metal is even distributed. Fourth, 2 layers of mold reduce cost and increase efficiency. Fifth, independent frequency conversion discharge device to ensure the degree of genuine forming.